Thank you for duplicating the online course creation Notion template. This video is a thorough review and understanding of how to use the Notion template for creating your online course. If you are someone who's new to Notion and has recently started with understanding the pre-made templates, then this video is for you. For anyone who is interested to have this template, check the link below in the description. Alright, let's get started. This section is the database of the courses. You can begin with writing the title of your course by clicking over New and write down the title of your course. My new course. If you already have a course cover developed in Canva or any other software, you can choose a file, upload it, or embed the link if it is saved somewhere else. You can check out the status of the course, whether it is started or it is already in progress, and leave the rest of the sections. The reason is that as you begin with content development as well as the video production and design tasks, these sections will automatically be filled in for this particular course. I'll show you that at the end of this video. Below that is a pre-made template where you can put in the tentative titles of your course, the description, the course objectives, and the prerequisites. If you want to go back to the main page, click on the navigation panel and go to the home page. In this front page, you can see here, this is your new course. In the section of the course areas, each area has a separate database. For example, content development has its own database, which you can also see in here. Similarly, video production, design, course revenue track, and the social media calendar are also available, where you can change the status of the tasks, add new status, or change them. Let's begin with the first task, which is the foremost important task, that is content development. When you click on the content development section, you will see a database here. At first, you need to begin with the outline of your course. Write down the course title here and then start writing the modules as well as the lectures or the lessons or the videos that you want to put in. Once you're done that, you can start writing the content based on the status, the start date, and for which course are you creating this content. For example, if you have multiple courses, you can choose for which module and lesson or video is this particular content. Similarly, you can place in the deadlines and also the course areas. For example, I have this particular content to be chosen for the video production. Additionally, I can use the same content for my social media calendar and the designs as well. So I can place in any of the course areas here. Once I place it and identify it, when I go to any of these course areas, I would be able to see this particular content there in those databases as well. You can fill in the rest of the sections, write down your content, and let's get back to the home section. You can also check the status of your content development tasks in here that you have recently started, that are under review, or those that are completed. You can change these statuses directly if you want to, or you can add a new status from here. Below that is the video production tasks, which shows similar statuses. I can also access the video production database from this area. In this database, we have all the tasks of video production that are related to the content that we previously created in our content development tasks. So if, for example, I have a content that I've created in the content development tasks, I can actually relate that particular content for the video that I'm creating. Obviously, I will have scripts, I will have write-ups that I need to support myself when I'm creating my video. And this is the section where I can actually relate the database of content development tasks with my video script, and also add whether these are completed or are under recording. The next section is the design section. In this section, you can give a title of the design and relate it with the course title. Use your Canva links, and you can also use your Figma links if you know how to use Figma. To go back, let's move on to our social media calendar, which you can also see here that I have made it platform specific, that is Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. You can add any additional platform like Pinterest or Medium, and you can change the statuses right here. You can make or create any status from this section, or like I said before, go to the social media calendar and write down a thorough detail of the social media posts that you are going to choose for your courses. Notice that I've also added a section of my courses because I'm very specific about posting my courses online. Sometimes I'm advertising my Notions basic course, other times I plan to advertise any other course. So I have made posts based on my courses. So this section is basically the My Courses database that is related to the database of social media tasks. Going back to the navigation panel, the final section is the course review section. This section is based on the monthly calculation of the number of revenue as well as the enrolled users in your course alongside the sources. You can add up as much months you want to add. In case if you want to see the section based on the income sources, you can choose that accordingly. For example, my website, Skillshare, Udemy, or any other income sources that you wish to add. Below that, if you're trying to figure out how many tasks do you have for each particular course, if you have multiple courses, you can check this section and see that all of these design, social media calendar, revenue tracking section are all particularly for this course of Notion template. And if you look into the Notion Basics course, we have a content development section, again a social media calendar, and all of this is only associated just because you have mentioned these courses in your databases. In the end, I'd like to explain this navigation panel that allows you to add a new course, a new content, new video, new design, new social media calendar, or adding a new month of revenue easily by clicking over this link. Let's just start doing it again. New course, and in here automatically a new course is created. A new content, you can see a new content created directly in the content development section. There you go. So this template is all about facilitating yourself in creating your course, touching each domain, that is from building the content to the video, the design, the social media calendar, and finally tracking the revenue post-launch. That's it for now. If you have any issues or require any further customization for this template, feel free to reach out to me on my Twitter handle or leave a comment below on this video. Thank you so much and good luck for your course creation journey.